Welcome to RevTune TV. This is Muzza. This is Project COVID-33, and so far I've got it in the garage. I've jacked it up. Let me show you. So, jacked it up. I've changed the fuel filter. I've changed the oil. So the oil didn't come out sludgy. It actually smelled a bit fuely, but it come out pretty watery, so that's good sign. Changed the oil filter. I'm just going to do some tidy up in here. The wastegate's not connected, so I got to fix that. I got to fix all the vacuum hoses here. But the clutch fan still works good. Can't believe that's not seized on the Skyline. It's been so old. It's Andrew and Amp, and it's got some good stuff on the car. I just saw underneath, so it's got adjustable lower control arms, look pretty new. Adjustable caster arms, and then I've got some coilovers over here. I bought some coilovers. I'm gonna put that in. But yeah, she starts mad now. Starts good. Yeah, steering. Don't rev it. Don't rev it. So just got to run it. Sounds pretty good. Power steering hoses are weeping. That's pretty common on these. Because we're low on oil, I had to top it up. But, I don't even know if the aircon works. I don't know how lucky we are. Got to tidy up the boot. The brake lights are stuck on. Don't have to switch it, seized. I might have to unstick that, but I've got to fix the fuel pump too. He hasn't got no clamps in the fuel pump. I reckon he's put a Warbro pump in there. Got to fix the battery bracket up. But see if the aircon works. How's the controls work? One of these, haven't been one before. Aircon, AC on. I don't think it's working. I can't hear the compressor. Ooh, blowing air. It's blowing air. See if the compressor's working. AC compressor. I checked the charge rate. Charge rate's good. Nah, AC compressor's not working. Probably got no gas. Didn't expect it to work. Probably have to give it a regas. But yeah, getting there. Not bad, eh? Ooh, baby. Ooh. Love it. So, Project 33. She's a runner. And, stay tuned, RevTune. A lot more work to come.